this is this nice STM Studio, and this is now PID for position. You can see here the yellow is really, that's what the PID is outputting, which is quite crazy. And get filtered with this old low pass, so comes a bit stale, but it's working for now. But I've added, so let's stop this immediately. And I've added here to the remote dummy also a nice RTT interface, and that really makes my entire last 2 days obsolete immediately, because this interface is far easier. And so I think we can upload already. Okay, we did compile, and then here in the custom there is the RTT start and the RTT console, and here it is. And okay, you can enter help, and then you would get the commands, and so with max to 90, then the target you see here, it goes from 90, and currently the I think the refs are the target, and so let's change to drive equals 3. Let's drive more 3, and now we are plus minus 300 degrees. So 2 rotations in total, so because the amplitude is 90 degrees. Yeah, if you want. So that's how it works here with platform IO, and stop it. And if you want to do it just here with PuTTY and Windows, then you see, let's go back here. You need this Windows RN, because RN, so F7 and F8 to upload. With Carl you have to turn off and turn on again, and then you simply have these batch files here. So you're doing this, and then go to the PuTTY, and here it's okay. I have to show you the settings, but right now simply restart. And here the voltage current is not really working that fine. Let's move it here so you can see the PID parameters. Again, help to show you the different things, so there might come a lot more. And again, the maximum to 90, and the drive to 3, and we are back here. And you see here, you can now really see, you see 90 and 93, so it's really quite close. And so if you see here, if you want to change the PI, the D setting it to 0.2, this will make it too fast. Okay, we have to increase the maximum. Let's go to yeah, 360. Yeah, that's too fast, and so you see D equals 1 will slow it down, so you can quickly get a feeling for these 3 parameters. The first one, the P, is really the arrow, and boom, go. So I really need here a high P to really hit the target. What's now happening? I think the period, we have to increase the period, because you see it takes some time for so many revolutions. And the second is the integer. There's the arrow is integrated, so usually, but I did not need it here. But to slow it down, I learned that the last parameter will do some breaking. Yeah, and that's already is. Have fun.